Welcome back, homeowners. Today we're going to talk about a common concern for many of us, cracks in our basement walls. Knowing when to worry about these cracks can save you from potential headaches and costly repairs. So let's dive right in. Now, not all cracks are cause for immediate concern, but it's important to know when to start worrying. Let's discuss the factors you should consider. The first one is size. The first factor to consider is the size of the crack. Generally speaking, smaller cracks are less worrisome than the larger ones. If you notice hairline cracks, which are very thin and less than 1/8 of an inch wide, they are usually considered common shrinkage crackage and typically not a major problem. However, if you notice wider cracks, especially those larger than 1/4 of an inch, it's time to start paying attention. These cracks can indicate more serious issues and may require professional assessment. Another important factor is the movement of the crack. Are the walls shifting? Do you notice the crack getting wider over time or longer? If you observe any noticeable movement, it's a sign that there could be underlying structural problems. Even small cracks that exhibit signs of movement should be monitored closely. Changes in the crack's width or length could indicate ongoing issues with the foundation or the soil conditions. Third, water infiltration is a significant concern when it comes to cracks in basement walls. Keep an eye out for signs of moisture, dampness, or water seepage through the cracks. This can lead to mold growth, damage to your belongings, and even compromise the structural integrity of your home due to hydrostatic pressure. If you notice any water-related issues, it's crucial to take immediate action. Waterproofing solutions or professional assistance may be necessary to prevent further damage. Lastly, let's talk about crack patterns. Their direction and pattern of cracks can provide valuable insights into their potential severity. Vertical and diagonal cracks are generally more concerning than horizontal ones. Vertical cracks can indicate settlement issues, while diagonal cracks may suggest soil pressure or uneven load distribution. If you notice any stair-step cracks or multiple cracks intersecting at one point, it's time to consult a professional. To summarize, when it comes to cracks in your basement walls, keep an eye on the size, movement, water infiltration, and crack patterns. If you have any doubts or concerns, it's always best to consult a qualified professional. Remember, early detection and prompt action can save you from costly repairs down the line. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this information helps you make an informed decision about your home's foundation. If you have any doubts about the cracks in your basement or your foundation, feel free to call us at 704-813-9554. We offer free, no obligation assessments. We'll see you next time.